Welcome back. Thought I'd do a little video about my bandsaw. For those of you that like to use these small vertical / horizontal bandsaws, I do use this one in the vertical mode a lot. There's several manufacturers, mostly in Taiwan and China, making these. They all use the 64.5 inches long, 1/2 inch wide blades. First thing I tell people is don't even bother getting the legs out of the box. They're too low for most of us. And I like to set these up the same height as my anvil. So if you're in a small shop and you're working on a long piece, you can rest it on your anvil as well as whatever other support you might need. The other additions that I've made to it is a way to hold a pan to catch short pieces. A support, thanks to Jeff Young for this one, to help support some of the longer pieces, as well as finding this at a scrapyard, the set of rollers. I work mostly with 10-foot long pieces, and this is the deburring spot close by to the saw. It's a 3/4 horse Milwaukee 8-inch wheel grinder with the one wheel replaced with the multi-tool, the 2x36 belts. I use it mostly for deburring, but I can also use it occasionally for grinding and sharpening. Hope you get some good ideas from this. I'm using a bimetal blade, very tooth. I think this one's like 12 to 14 or something like that. And I also use a product by Lennox to add fluid to the blade. They call it Band-Aid. I put about 1 inch in a squirt bottle and fill it up the rest of the way with water.